Yamwachi biem samwa kwa Badwam TV Badwam jumede so yada Apostle Dr. Ni te kote gwase eni nkranhye nsema wode amaye na edu hwo ne yakase no na osofo hwo environment science and technology so se obehwe na CSIR won mo so di akotene pa wo school feeding no emu yade sansam no ebebro Yamampani John Dramani Mahama the Chowpama Christian Council Catholic Bishops one National Education Forum no say one more dear invitation no a delay. And on same being no pay made bro Adom TV Badwam Kase or shine live on Facebook /Adom TV Extra. Go TV at 119 DSTV at 280 Uko YouTuber search Adom TV Tube kwadomonline.com and same way any be so faster than Mama Joy Trish on atade ba konso Eshemia Frederick Opticals and Shama Mahweni Webo many who buy midini a fear amankwa tamaklo. A fear any demiente said and some chemo ankasa etie. Also for our environment, science and technology so Dr. Ibrahim Muntala Muhammad and wakan sisudwe biemu here say CSIR one mo subedi akotene food and ase nuane a yede emma esukufo emunsem Adom TV kase etwaso.
One commitment na me make it about the school feeding. If you bet to mind your president on direct school feeding, at least some of the food that is supplied to the schools, no, we should allow crop research institute, animal research institute to be able to do that. That will serve as a food research institute. Sorry, that will serve as a huge source of revenue to them, and that is what I'm going to be pushing. Yes, we are engaging consultant to see how we can get international funding for the various agencies. That is what we are doing now.
And which no Director General of CSIR Professor Paul Busu and so Esra Banse Womra one Srabamu Esanse USA Dana and Pempi wonya won sika e free de won juma no say abeto just say anya de sesa e mono e bebebiem and into many mu yawamba so na sna ya de say e be hadwene.
The project funds are approved maybe 3 years, but the funds come in bits, so I cannot say offhand exactly how much we are going to lose, but the fact is that the bottom line is that we are going to have serious shortfalls with the project that we are implementing currently because of the USAID withdrawal.
Mampeni John Dramani Mahama the Chowpada Emma Christian Council of Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference say ene the Ecoso National Education Forum wo hono oni mo akotin invitation no na e cherry kakra into the ho chowpa amawo.
Express my sincerest apologies on behalf of the planning committee of the forum to our stakeholders of the faith-based organizations for the unpardonable omission committed in your delayed invitation to this forum. I am aware that the omission was very speedily remedied, but you still deserve an unqualified apology for this oversight. And since you are the purveyors of God's mercy on earth, I'm sure that you are forgiving us. Thank you very much. And we know you are important stakeholders because you own some of the schools, and so this educational forum is important to see how we carry everybody together.
Na one National Education Forum here koso ewo ho no mampani so dia tuja chemo sa dwempo bia ni hwehwe bia ya wonu mo ebe esie ana enyina ye bia no mbehwe so mde be ye adwuma na boa mo meye ngumasua agane naiso.
Education must prepare our students for service. That is the task we have, and by finding answers to the questions above and others, that will inform the discourses of this forum. It must be our collective responsibility to make recommendations that are far-reaching, that are transformative, and necessary for developing the global Ghanaian. There is a call to action for every stakeholder here today, and every Ghanaian across the country and in the diaspora. Their future depends on the decision we make and the actions we take today. And I'm happy that some of our members, our citizens from the diaspora, like Professor Champong, have come all the way to come and join us at this forum. And also Professor Benyega, all the way from Australia. You are all welcome. As a government, we are fully committed to this process, and the outcomes of this conference, I assure you that your recommendations are not going to gather dust on a shelf.
to Adom TV Badwam kase no so na Office of the Special Prosecutor so NNA kana yam photo send Ken Ofori-Atta we dey to wanted list so no ene wayi de free officer Ora Ofori-Atta lawyer for atro enkrata de abre Office of Special Prosecutor edapoti obebo mai mo na fe nsem bi e wo ho no ono maka
Ojifo bo so many de to so dumienu wa fimpino ni edununum yi emu na special prosecutor edebetu just say kana Ghana photo samfo Kenneth Nanaya Ofori-Atta wonomo ehwehwe ne dendenden a we no ye beka ne say wo ye wanted a atese oba no obeyin sembese bi ano special prosecutor editor just say opanyin no osusu so de ho aforefore enema bi mu a eno ehia se wonomo etoto na no ehwese aso enema wonomo susu se wode ne ho efore ye no saa netie anase owo ho ano yi special prosecutor bon ho moni bia say obetimi opanyi ehia na nketahode bi akoso nanso no anya de se wonomo etumi enya nhyiamode bia esanse wo kyerede a opanyi no akwakopie mu ewo bi man so a woje ayarehwe aloya for the Ken Ofori-Atta atwere nkrata de akokoma special prosecutor wonomo kyere edapoti a obeba be pie mu ewo man Ghana mu ama no toto wonomo pese wone no enya no etumi akoso ebra aloya fu ye de nkrata no ekodan special prosecutor no ono so akyere won nkrata mu se edapoti a wonomo de ama no Ken Ofori-Atta ba be pie mu man Ghana mu no ade se waje atuma wo hwe ne mu se obedi saa emre no so no abepie mu se ne ebe ya nhwehwemu a wonomo eye no ebetumi akototen Ken Ofori-Atta wonomo declare ne se woye wanted no wonomo ayi sade no efiri no so esane se no ankasa aje atumu se wo beba wo man Ghana mu amanhwehwemu akoso
Enzima Youth Alliance nene wonomo kase wo mu twemsa watoya mantemu no empanifu edi akotene wo energy mu no omo de yeyi wonomo afri mu nti wanwa ye nsentwefo nhia mu de to aban nanim se bia ne re na afia onkai wo
Gibi food wa ha sankofa wa ha ten wa ha ni na doma ha na wo omo installations so wo elemble kwanzima isin hwan na de ka ne se appointments a omo pani President John Mahama eye no yesre no Eman Renfi Zimafo. Eman Renfi Western Region 4. Ahanta 4. And it's a what's 4. This is 4. The Ghana 4 in now.
You could maybe any amani buni lottery at a chain como.
Appointment at President Haye Nano, MC Zimafo no, Titru na Yenin so. Inti yesre, Nya catchere on my penny say. Western Region. We share Western, I say. Bibia every Western ana eboa Ghana nti yesre se panifo na omapeni eyi omo no oma bebre na emra Western Region titru energy sector no
Savannah mantamne moswafo abopro akọ gonja anano matra nkonwa eho akọ akochia ne da no ho adi se nei wonna ebehwe mantam ne so na se beye ne kro no ebetu mpon no je se mpanifo nyina de won muti ebom nti no wakona na ho nsra okoje ne nsem enhye.
As the regional minister for the Savannah region, as you may all be aware, the Savannah region is only covering a fraction of the jurisdiction of the Yegbongra, because the Yegbongra by his control, part of it is in Upper West region, part of it is in the Republic of Cote d'Ivoire, part of it is in Togo, part of it is in Northern region, part of it is in the Puno East region, and many other areas that the Yegbongra jurisdiction is in control over. So upon assuming office, I ought to officially come and inform the king that I've officially resumed my position and my duty as the regional minister for the Savannah region. The reason for which I came with other service commanders. You know, the purpose of a regional coordinating unit is to coordinate activities within the region and also to deal with matters of security.
Abinya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hana be makwan na no pe ye de sie ye da se emre ni adaje wadaroma ye de bon krata no ne online de to so twen ye kwaba